We're reading the story about the 3 Hebrews. Christian, what are their names? Shadrach, Abednego. Very good. Abednego. Very good. Very good.
Abednego.
Very good.
Abednego.
Good boy. Very good.
Abednego. Too many syllables for him.
That's good.
Good boy, Christian.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.
Mommy.
You see them?
Mommy.
Christian, what did they say to the king? They said, "No, we won't bow down to your image. We only worship Jehovah." What were their names? Who's that? Who's that? Good boy. Easy with the pages. Be careful. We already see what happened to one of them. Poor Daniel in the lion's den. That's the paradise. Christian, say paradise. Say paradise. Very good. Paradise. Easy, easy with your pages. Good boy. Look, the snakes. Snakes. Where are the snakes? Show mommy. Yeah. Snake. Where's the big snake? Where's the big snake? Yeah, they got bit by snakes, right? Where's the big snake? Where's the big snake?
Where's Moses? Where's Moses? Where's Moses?
Okay. Christian, Jehovah is love, justice, good, wisdom,
Good boy.
power.
Power.
Good boy. Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Mommy.
Okay.